Let's talk about until, unless, and even if. They are often confusing to English learners. In this video, I intend to break down the difference between them and exactly when to use them in sentences, okay? We will take the words one after the other and use these questions as our examples. We use until to say that something happened up to a certain time. In other words, until is all about time. An action continues to take place up to a certain time and then stops. Let's use the first three questions here as our examples before we move over to unless. 1. I will stay here, blank, you come back. In this part of the sentence, we have the action stay, the main action. Stay. Now, this action will continue to happen up to the time that you will come back. So this is talking about time. When will I stop staying? When you come back. So if you're talking about time, use until. I will stay here until you come back. 2. Wait here, blank, I finish what I'm doing. The action here is wait. Now, this waiting will continue to go on and stops when I finish what I'm doing. So this is talking about time. The action will continue to go on and stops when I finish what I'm doing. So wait here until I finish what I'm doing. 3. She kept talking, blank, the teacher stopped her. The action here is kept talking. Now this action continued to go on up to the time that the teacher stopped her. So this is about the time the action stopped when the teacher stopped her. So she kept talking until the teacher stopped her. Now let's look at unless. We use unless to place condition. So to use unless in a sentence, it means you have a condition which must be met before an action will take place. So let's use the next three questions here as our examples for unless. 4. I won't help you, blank, you ask politely. Here we have a condition which must be fulfilled before this action takes place. So the condition for me to help you is only if you ask politely. Condition. For condition, use unless. I won't help you unless you ask politely. Until can also go in this sentence. You can say, I won't help you until you ask politely. So if what you have in mind is to say that the time the person asks politely is when you will help, you can use until. So both until and unless can go in this particular sentence. 5. You will miss the train, blank, you hurry. In this sentence, we have condition. And what is the condition? You hurry. So, the only way you won't miss the train is to fulfill this condition, which is to hurry. You will miss the train unless you hurry. Condition. 6. Don't open the door, blank, I tell you. Here we have a condition for this action to take place. So this is about condition. In other words, you will only open the door if I tell you to do so. Don't open the door unless I tell you. Condition. Now, until can also go in this sentence. It depends on the message that the speaker wants to pass across to the listener. Now, let's look at the next one, which is even if. The next three questions here are for even if, while the last two, number 10 and 11, are for you to answer in the comment section. So let's look at even if. We use even if to show that no condition can change the result. No condition can change the result. So no matter what happens, the result in the sentence still remains. Okay? 7. I will support you. Blank, everyone disagrees. Here we have the action of support. So in this sentence, whether everyone agrees or disagrees, nothing will change my support for you. So here, no change. I will support you even if everyone disagrees. 8. She will keep working. Blank, she feels tired. Here we have the action of working. Will keep working. Now this action will continue to go on whether she feels tired or not. So no change in the result. She will keep working even if she feels tired. No matter the tiredness, she will keep working. No change. Now, in this particular sentence, we can also use until and unless. It depends on the speaker. Okay? 9. I won't change my decision. Blank, you beg me. Here we have a condition, but using even if here shows that whether you beg me or not, I won't change my decision. So here, the result will not change. No change at all. I won't change my decision, even if you beg me. So whether you beg me or not, I will not still change my decision. That's the function of even if. It is used to show that the action will still go on no matter the condition. Okay? Now answer number 10 and 11 in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.